Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new video for review. And in today's video what we have with us is the Lizol Disinfectant Surface Cleaner. So I have been using Lizol for quite some time in my house, and you can see that from the bottle the amount of liquid that is left. Right, so today I thought I'll review this for you all. So starting off with the packaging, it comes in this bottle form with the Lizol branding right in the face of it. This is the Lizol branding. It says disinfectants, surface cleaner, 10 times cleaning and germ kills 99.9% of the germs, and the aroma is a citrus aroma. Moving on to the back of the pack, they are given Lizol's unique formula kills 99.9% germs, removes tough stains and leaves a pleasant citrus fragrance. Directions for use: floor and bathroom surface. Use 1 cupful and half bucket of water. That is 4 liters of water. Gently mop the surface, no need to rinse. Kitchen surface, use unadulterated. Apply on dirty area, leave for 10 minutes and rinse. Safe on all surfaces: ceramic, marble, granite, mosaic, etc. Ingredients are benzalkonium chloride solution, which is 80%. Then there is aqua. Then there is lauryl alcohol ethoxylate, sodium bicarbonate, cocamidopropyl betaine, perfume, tetrasodium, EDTA, denatonium, benzoate. Yeah, that's it. Keep out of reach of children, causes eye and skin irritation. If in contact with skin or eye, rinse cautiously with water. Remove contact lenses if present and continue handling. Do not mix with any other household cleansers or acid. For external use only. Store away from direct sunlight. This is a 500 ml bottle that I have with me, and the MRP of the same is. So guys, this Lizol Flow Cleaner is available online on Amazon. You can check it out from there. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.